I'm Ken Reed, and we're now looking at the number 11 wall page display page of the DYO Green Building Decision Kit under the heading Water Heating and Use. We're going to look at water heaters in 11A. We're going to look at solar assisted water heating options. Water tank insulating blanket and low flow fixtures will be 11C. 11D is rainwater storage systems. 11E is drip irrigation and watering systems. 11F is water conserving appliances. 11G is sinks, bathtubs, and showers. We'll look at options and the ways that you can incorporate efficient fixtures and items in your home or small commercial building. 11H is pools, and 11I is spas and hot tubs. We will examine all of them and the more efficient ones on the market.